Hey, traders. I hope you're having a great start to your trading week. Let's talk about Bitcoin. I'm going to get right to it, and I'm going to make this short and sweet, but to the point and as in depth as possible, okay? Now, you can see price made its way up here. We done went over this all day. We broke this lower high here relative to this one. We broke the lower high and came back and we're testing the zone. This is the definition for me of a break of structure. Once the retest happens, I look for further downside action. All right, the where we are retesting this area is where I would like to see the lower high established. All right, and we have a lower low. We're looking for that lower high. Boom. So we can say, hey, we got a downtrend going. All right. As opposed to looking for more upside. Overall, of course, we're all bullish on this. All right. Look at this trend line. This is a long time trend line since December of last year. Right. And it's been respected until here, until the 22nd of April. All right. And then we came passed back through it. We came through, retested, came back through it, and we tested the top. This is a significant level, even though it didn't hold as support here. It's holding as support here now. Now, what I want you to look at the Fibonacci's. All right, look at this level first of all. We were testing at this area of the previous lower highs. Right, this is a significant level of resistance, which was on support. This is a daily level of a daily key level of support and resistance, and we're right on it. Okay, now we put the Fibonacci's on here from the swing high to the swing low here. All right, and you can see the 50 fib lines up almost perfectly with this same lower high zone. All right, and this is where this is the resistance that we're going to be testing. Also keep that in mind. All right. Also, if you put your fibs on the where where was I going to put these fibs? Doggone it. I'll save that for the next slide. What I also would like you to check is if we use the pivots, and we have these on the on the monthly Fibonacci pivot levels. You can see the middle pivot, the main pivot is here right along this same zone. All right. So you can see how significant this doggone zone is here as support, here as resistance and support, tested here as resistance. All right. Tested here as support over here. See these opens and the closes here. This is a very significant level. Okay. So you also notice that we have a trend line that connects here, here, and here. You can see that it's a channel as well, and you'll see it clearly on the next time frame, on the 4 hour time frame. But we gotta take this picture, the big picture, with us when we go, because it's significant. It relates significantly. See this channel? See how we have the base, the baseline, the support line of this diagonal level of support here, turn resistance here, and then again turning as support here. All right, and you'll see we are now testing the top of this uh, this descending channel. Okay, and we are testing it right at exactly at that daily level of support and resistance, that key level. All right. Now, I want to show you something. If we use, you see how this becomes a swing low, and then we have the swing high here, and then another swing low. If you put your Fibonacci's from that swing high to this swing low here, you can see we are at, I can get it over there. You can see we are at the final level, the 786 level of the Fibonacci, where you would expect price to come back, it revert to reverse price. This is the last one. This is the golden ratio. All right, price went past that, and we are at the 786. So this is the last place that we're going to be looking for that price to reverse. All right. Now, so also, what I want you to see is with the pivot points. If we switch the pivots to the weekly, because we're on the 4 hour, you can see we're at R1, directly at it. Okay. We have a lot of confluences here. All right. This is a very important level, like I've already illustrated. This essentially is a double top, if you can see it. All right. And we like to see a double top in a downtrend because that usually means a reversal. Okay. That's a strong indicator. All right. Now, but what do we want to do? All right. Excuse me. What do we want to do? We want to prepare. All right. If price finds a way to get higher, we want to mark this level out like so. And we want to see how I have it at the top wick here. All right. Wick to body, wick to body. We got it. We got it all in the zone here. This is the zone. All right. What we want to see is price do one of these numbers. How do I know it's going to retest? How do I know that? And go higher. We go to R2, which is at the top of these highs, all right, which we will probably find some resistance, all right, and then we'll shoot for the the weekly supply support and resistance key level as well. This is a weekly and it's pretty strong. You can see how relevant it is here, 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 and here, right? So keep an eye on that. If it breaks our level here, if it breaks the level at 55.62, 625, we want to see that retest and then come back up. Okay. All right. That is the contingency plan. What am I really expecting? I'm really expecting price to come down. We're going to find the support here. We might break up. We might test this daily right on the line, wick up like this one did, and then come back down inside this channel. All right. And I suspect we'll show respect to this trend line. We might hit it once or twice and then break through. All right. We're going to come down to this support line here and then maybe retest. And then we're going to have a precipitous drop down to this daily support level. And I'm going to mark that level. This is a weekly Fibonacci support level, okay? But it also aligns with the daily key levels of support and resistance. And I'm going to mark it as such. So that's where I'm at. Okay, we're gonna see a bunch of we should see a pretty nice drop from here. All right, I still have this level circled at 45135. That's 45,135. I still have this level marked. All right, so look here. If once price does reject from here, and I'm fairly certain it will. Uh, the first level we're going to look at is right here, right about 53 645. All right, you know we're going to look in this vicinity here. All right, because that's also the same area where the support is found. And then we're going to hit this area here where the pivot is, the weekly pivot for the Fibonacci pivot level, which coincides with the support line of this descending channel. All right. And this is right at what level is this? This is oh, well, call it 5,900. All right. Call it 5,900 or right around there. Well, shoot. Actually, just call it 51, 150. 51, 150. All right. We're going to look there. Okay. And then you're going to look down here at the daily level of support and resistance, 47, 49, 493. 47, 493. Okay. Now, once we get here, we'll see if we can, if price will go to the 45. All right. If we go to the 45, boy, I tell you what, that that would make me happy because I've been looking at that 45 for a while, as you already know. From here, I think that's where we'll start the last leg of the bull run. Okay. That is my analysis. I hope that you benefit from it. And please give me a comment. Drop me a comment. Drop me what your analysis might be. Share your chart. Just let me know if you're benefiting from my analysis and the free education. And I will see you in the next video. Subscribe if you like, and and hang on for the ride.